This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, thanks for joining us. Today I have attorney Greg Alley with the law office of Alley, Register, McEachern joining me. Welcome, Greg.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
We've had a few questions come in, so I'll go ahead and ask one of them. I'm being sued and my wife is worried they're going to take the house.
In North Carolina, there's a law called tenants by the entireties. In this case, I would assume that this married couple, they own the property together, and the gentleman said that he was being sued. So if just he's being sued, then that creditor cannot attach or take the house, so to speak. Tenancy by the entireties means that a husband and wife is special protection for that situation. It means that a creditor or someone you owe money to of only one of the spouses can't attach or take property owned by a married couple. There is a limited exception for the Internal Revenue Service for tax debt, but other than that, a normal run-of-the-mill creditor cannot attach or take the house in that situation.
Okay, well, what happens if they get divorced or one of them dies?
Well, if you get divorced and you haven't disposed of the property, given it one way or the other, or sold it while you're still married or separated, and then on the date of the divorce, that's what's called severs the tenancy by the entireties, and then you own the property as tenants in common. Just like two unrelated people own real estate. You have an undivided interest in the property. And so a creditor of one of the owners in the tenancy by the tenants in common situation, it does attach their 1/2 interest.
Okay, does this apply to bankruptcy protection?
Yes, it does. If you were to file for bankruptcy, the rules, North Carolina state rules still apply. And what's called your exemptions or how you own property, the title. So if a husband and wife file bankruptcy together, you have to separate the debt of each and figure out what rights or responsibilities you have in bankruptcy.
Okay, great. And seek your attorney expertise.
I'd be happy to talk to someone about that.
Great. Find out more by going to alleyregistermcEachern.com.
For more details, go to Law Connect on WECT.com.